In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning portfolio website using Wix. This guide will take you step by step through the process, providing you with all the essential information you need to showcase your work to potential clients effectively. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open Chrome and log into your Wix dashboard. This is your launchpad for building a beautiful site that reflects your unique style. Wix is known for its user-friendly interface, which makes it a fantastic tool, especially if you're new to website creation. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll have the option to choose a portfolio template. Wix offers a variety of professionally designed templates specifically tailored for portfolios, or if you prefer, you can start with a blank slate and let your creativity run wild. Selecting a template can save you considerable time as it's essentially a pre-built site that you can customize to suit your needs. However, starting from scratch gives you the flexibility to create a site that's truly one of a kind. After you've made your choice, it's time to add a gallery or pro gallery element to your site. This is where you'll feature your designs, so you'll want to make sure it looks impressive. Wix's Pro Gallery offers dynamic layouts and stunning presentation options that can significantly enhance how your work is viewed. Look through the available settings and decide which display options will best highlight your designs. Next, you'll need to upload your best work. Choose pieces that you are proud of and make sure to include robust descriptions and project details. This step is crucial as it gives visitors context and insight into each piece of work. Think about the story behind each project, the tools you used, or any challenges you overcame, and share those details. This narrative can make your work more engaging and relatable to potential clients. With your work uploaded, it's time for customization. This is where you can really infuse your site with your personality by adjusting the layout, fonts, and colors. Choose elements that not only represent your personal style, but also create an aesthetic that aligns with the type of clients you wish to attract. Remember, the goal is to create a visual harmony that enhances the content without overshadowing it. Play around with different combinations until you find a design that feels right. Once you're satisfied with the look and feel of your site, it's time to hit that publish button. This is the moment where all your hard work comes to life. After publishing, you'll receive a link that you can share with potential clients or employers. It's an exciting step as you're now ready to showcase your talents to the world. And there you have it, your very own portfolio website created with Wix, ready to display your creative talents to the world. Make sure to update it regularly as you complete new projects to keep it fresh and engaging. Happy designing!